Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. I have a fun experiment today. So I have a canvas here that I had done some texture on, didn't love the way it turned out, painted over it with some gesso, and it decided it might make an interesting canvas for something along the lines of a flip cup. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to try a flip cup on here. I've got some beautiful neutral colors. I'm going to bring you down and show you those. And then we'll just get started. And I think that the texture on the canvas really is going to give this some depth and interest. So let's see how it turns out. Here are my colors. This is Rich Espresso from BakerModern.art. Both of these are burnt umber with a little bit of white added in. This one obviously a little bit more white than the darker one. And then this is Mink Pearl, or Pearl Mink from BakerModern.art. Really pretty neutral color. And then I have Iridescent Gold Deep from Golden. Beautiful neutral palette. Okay, do some white, some of this pretty pearl mink, some of the espresso, the light burnt umber, probably more paint than I need.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Want to be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be lead. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet.
Here we are with the dried results of the neutral flip cup. Now the one on the right, I had a little more gold in, and I wish I would have done more gold in the one on the left. When it was wet, I thought the gold was a little overpowering, but now that it's dry, I think it's really soft and pretty. So I'm going to focus on the texture one since that was the experiment. And I think this is really kind of cool. I'm not sure this would work for every technique, but I think this texture under the flip cup is really, really interesting. And I am definitely going to play with this idea more. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful day.